Hey guys, Trent here with the Braintree Productions. Forgot my business. I just bought a Gen-2 Onefinity Elite with the Redline controller. I had and have been doing videos with the Gen-1 BuildBotics controller. Still have that machine. It's over here, over that way. But the reason why I bought the Gen 2 was because it's bigger. I liked the controller that it came with. I like the Elite. It had some enticing features. One of those features that it came with is a tool setter. What that does is allows, when you're running the program, it allows you, you don't have to probe the bit every single time. It'll actually stop the program, come over, tell you that the program's asking you to change the bit, and then you'll hit OK. It'll come up, go over, go down, hit the tool setter, and you're golden. At least I thought I was golden, and I wasn't, because again, I was doing it wrong. There's a sequence that you need to do it in, and so I just wanted to do a video on that. So I'm gonna just show you. I got the Elite Gen 2, I got the tool setter, and I got the HMI. Now, some people don't have the HMI, some people have their computer. It's the same thing, same exact thing. Well, yes and no, but what I'm trying to say is running the tool setter is the same exact thing. Okay. So down here, you'll notice that it says Tool T14. This bit right here is my T14, okay? That was the last bit that I used in the program. Actually, it probably wasn't. It was probably this bit right here, which is T202. And that's a ball nose bit. So when I wanted when I got started on a new program or a new cutting file, I'd put my board on there, and on my old machine, I would take it and I'd put the probe on here like so. Well, got to get it up high enough. Put the probe on there like so, and then I'd just take it over and probe it, right? Wrong. Okay. If you got the tool setter, what you need to do is you got to make sure that this bit is the same bit that you have that you're going to zero with. Then from there, you want to go over and you want to hit tool. And if it's not the same bit, you'll want to go to tool change. And you just hit override, and we'll say that we're going to put 202 in. So now you can see it says T202. Down here it says T202, tool T202. Yeah, so although I have a T14 in, right? So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say check. So the first sequence is you're not going to zero first. You're going to go to tool setter and you're going to measure your tool. You're going to hit OK. It'll take it over. Go up. You'll come back over to your computer or HMI and you're going to hit jog, and you'll take it to where you want it, where your piece is going to be at. I'm going to do it quickly. Okay, so then this is where you're going to want to use your probe. So you put your probe on there. This is where you'll do your XYZ after you've done your tool setter. So then you're going to take and you're going to go You're going to get the bit close to, I'm going to sit you down here. So you're going to get the bit close to this circle right here. Then, once you have that position, you're going to sit there and go probe, and you're going to hit probe XYZ. Then you'll hit next. Then you're going to go over here, and you're going to hook up your magnet to where you want it at. Well, in this case, the nut collet, right? And then you're going to come over here and you'll see that it says, right up here it says, connect probe magnet to spindle collet, touch probe block to tool. So we'll come over here, we'll touch probe block to tool, come back over here, and you'll notice down here, this is turned green, it says start probing. So we'll hit start probing, and you want to put in whatever bit you have. Mine's a 1/4 inch, so I'll hit 1/4 inch and I'll hit next. This is where it starts probing. Okay, now you'll come over here and you'll go to jog, hit the little bullseye button or 0 button, then you'll hit work 0, hit yes again, and what this is saying is that the Z-axis is not at a safe height. It's at a safe height, but you want to make sure it is at a safe height. Hit yes, and it takes it over to the Z, or the XY, or the X and Y position. Okay, and then from there you're going to sit there and go, basically I want to see if it's at 0. So I'm just going to hit, you can take it down slow, or you can hit the Z button in the middle, and then you go work Z, WPOS Z 0. Then you hit yes, and as you can see, it's taken it down to 0. Now, if you were zeroing off the spoil board, you'd bring it over. After you've done your XYZ, you'd bring it over and you would now 0 off the spoil board. But once again, when the first thing you want to do when you're starting up on the day or changing a project, you want to put your bit in. You want to put the bit in you're going to XYZ 0 off of it. You want to send it over to the tool setter. Do that first, then do your XYZ. Hopefully this helps you. Getting that PDF from Onefinity helped me. So once again, Trent Malcolm from the Burning Tree Productions, and I hope to see you in another video.